let's take a look at how we could create our own little decorator. So I've already got the code here just to save a little bit of typing and give me the opportunity really just to kind of highlight the different moving parts. So what we've got here is this is the code that's actually going to be executed when our decorator is run. We're going to print out a little thing on the screen saying logging execution. We're then going to run whatever function our decorator was on top of, and then we're going to print done logging at the very end here. So this is what's actually going to execute. Down below, we're going to set up our little decorator call at logger, and this is going to be our little function. So the end result here is it's going to print out logging execution. It's then going to run our little sample function. So in our case, it's going to print out inside sample function. And then last but not least, it's then going to print out our done logging. So let's go ahead and bring up our little environment. I'm going to say Python and then our little demo file and hit enter. And that's the output that we then get. You'll notice that it prints out logging execution, inside sample function, and then finally, done logging. Now, again, I know I said this multiple times. Last time I'll say it, I promise. The most common time that you're going to interact with decorators is when you're going to call them as part of a framework. But if you ever decided that this functionality might work in something that you're building, that is how you could go in and create a simple decorator. So now that we've seen all the different moving parts, what we want to do is close this little video off and kind of wrap up with a few odds and ends afterwards.